So today we are here to demonstrate how computer coding can be incorporated into building cool, innovative things for high school and middle school kids. The event is called Hour of Code, and essentially it's a 1 hour long session that we hold for young kids to really encourage them to pursue education in the field of STEM. And we're making programming and coding fun, coding and building games. For example, in this case, we have a trivia chatbot that they had to build, where the chatbot asks questions and they have to feed answers back to the chatbot, and you have a two-way dialogue.
And it is a very interactive class, right? So they get to learn through the instruction, they get to implement it right away, and they see whatever they are building is working or not. So there is a building pane, and then there is a testing pane.
We want to really make it fun for young kids to understand, like, hey, look, coding isn't as say ambiguous or scary it might look from the surface level.
Trying to make them understand that coding is not always about building softwares. There are many businesses out there apart from building softwares that are using coding to use and do some intelligent support operations as well.
And we have 4 stations today to showcase the kids the art of the possible with the cloud, using technologies like machine learning, IoT, natural language processing, and all that stuff. So we got a robotic arm here that is connected to the cloud for IoT, and that is receiving its instructions from this sensor. It's a leap motion sensor. It's an infrared camera that's going to track my hand and then detect my gestures and send the information over through the cloud to the robotic arm.
So this is basically, let's say if you're riding a bicycle, it's a smart bicycle, it has like cameras mounted on front and back of it, and what we are going to try to do is send images of that to the cloud and then do model detection, where we do hazard detection. So any hazards that it detects, let's say a truck is coming from behind, you don't have rear view mirror, it detects that, and then we use these smart glasses. So you wear them when you are riding the bicycle, and you see alerts on here, you see like haptic feedback, so vibration, you can have headsets and it will alert you saying that okay, a truck is coming from behind, there's a stop sign ahead, and you need to pay attention and things like that. So this is basically safety for bicyclists. This is like simulating the road as if you're riding the bike, and then this is the camera that you would mount on the bicycle, front or back.
What I got here is an American Sign Language interpreter. The thought for this project came because we want to be very inclusive and have community people who are disabled, who can't hear, to be able to build a computer vision model where we can make hand gestures, and the computer model can actually kind of understand what finger spelling they're doing and make words out of it. It's taking a look at the camera, what it's in front of it, and then using that to identify what ASL gestures I'm making and interpreting that as what English alphabet I'm trying to spell. If you don't know sign language and you are meeting somebody, a friend, family who's who can't hear, and they make gestures, and the app can actually tell them what exactly they are trying to communicate. So you don't have to learn, but still kind of be able to communicate with them.
The game that we have today is called Geography Quiz. So we'll let Alexa ask you some questions. Hey Alexa, play Geography Quiz.
Welcome to your quiz. What U.S. state boasts the following rivers? The Guadalupe, Trinity, Rio Grande, Brazos, and Colorado?
Texas.
You got it.
Great job.